creative, you're not late. I'm serious, you're not late. For whatever reason, this industry and this world makes us think that if we're not famous or published or whatever we're looking for by, I don't know, 16, it's over. We can't start, we can't learn, we can't master it. That is weapons grade baloney. There is no deadline. You are not too late. You are not too old. It's not gone too far. You can learn the thing. You can master the thing. Are you alive? Are you breathing? I should hope so if you're hearing a video right now. That means it's not too late. It is not too late for you. I need you to internalize this, creative, because the world is going to tell you otherwise. Screw those guys. I'm telling you the truth. It is not too late. What would you learn to do today if you really believed that? Maybe it's time to start. It's not too late for you. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.